Hey everyone, it's Larry from wstrades.com doing an update on ticker symbol FSR or Fisker Inc. So last time I did the update, we were right here, and I was wondering, okay, are they going to finally be able to break through this level at about 705 and kind of make a quick run up to 722? And no, not even close. So next day, they tried to break through, and then just massive sell-off since then. So I didn't even look at this because it's not really something I trade off of, but had a lot of comments talking about the short interest and is it a short squeeze and stuff like that. And for me, this would be a candidate that I would say, yes, it's got good potential for a short squeeze for a few reasons, because, they've had a lot of positive news recently, and they're going to up production on their vehicles. They're actually shipping vehicles. It's not like some of these kind of more scammy like Mullen Automotive and was that EVgo, where they're just kind of, it seems like the CEOs and everyone's just trying to get more money, and they really don't care about the product or the shareholders. So for me, I would say yes. And one thing, so this is the last actual reported, not like an estimate and stuff, of the short interest, and that was on the 12th. And you can see here they're almost 40% shorted. And days to cover with the lower volume we've seen is almost 16 days. So why I'm saying this could be a nice squeeze candidate is, like I said, the last actual reported date was the 12th. And if we go back to the chart, we'll see this candle right here is the 12th. So you had this big move all the way to here, and shorts barely covered. Actually, let's go back. Was the previous... Yeah, so they actually increased a tiny bit in their short position, or the overall short of it. And then, could they have closed out in this big run? Possibly, but then I'm assuming they all jumped right back in after we didn't break this level, because we had this fat sell-off. So, I mean, what was this? Add a drawing. Come here. So they didn't close with a move of about over 20%. So, this move, let's see what this is. For this move was, 10%. So did they cover in that last 10%? Maybe. Highly unlikely, but like I say, now after this fat sell-off, it's probably, if not higher, right where it was, the percentage of float. So, I'd keep an eye on it for sure. For me, this would be something that I wouldn't necessarily be getting into as a short squeeze candidate, because it's not my trading style. I don't, like kind of that gamble of everything, because most companies that are highly shorted, there's a reason for it. They're typically really scammy or just really crappy companies. But with Fisker, I actually like their product. They've had a ton of positive news, like I said. So this would be something that, I would be interested in going along and just kind of going along for the ride. If it squeezes, cool. If not, it's kind of a longer term hold, unless, something really crazy happens where, news starts getting really bad and things start tanking. So for me, I like it as, just buying it and seeing if it squeezes and kind of, going along with it. So anyways, that's my 2 cents. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you have any tickers you want me or James to go over, please also leave those in the comments, and like and subscribe.